Hello and welcome back. Today we will massage our under eyes to get rid of wrinkles. We will work on every muscle around the eyes as they are all interconnected. Today's video is of eye yoga and eye massage techniques combined together. So let's get started. Our first eye yoga technique, tap around using gentle pressure which will make you feel so good. Every morning, just tapping and waking up your eye muscles with this technique helps in activating blood circulation in this area, making the skin around glowing and healthy. Now moving on to our next eye yoga, we will place the outer side of our index finger flat on our eyebrows like this and our thumb on the end of our cheekbones. You don't have to stretch the skin apart, just place them for resistance around the side of your eyes. Now widen your eyes and squint. Without moving any other muscle on the face, just the lower eye muscle moves. Moving on to our next eye yoga technique, place your index and middle finger on inner and outer edge of your eyes like this. Now squint for 10 seconds or more till the time you can resist. Release and repeat. Place fingers on the cheekbones, press gently. We are creating resistance here. Now form an O with your mouth. Now with your eyes wide open, blink it for 10 seconds. Like this. Make sure you don't move your forehead. Keep breathing, don't hold your breath, and keep up the fast blinking. Relax and repeat. You will feel the under eye muscles working. It's a great workout for your under eye muscles. In addition to that, your cheek and mouth have done some workout as well. When you do this first thing in the morning, all your facial muscles will wake up and it makes you feel refreshed the whole day. Keeps those under eye muscles toned and wrinkled. This will strengthen your orbicularis oculi muscle that goes around the eye. As you do this technique, you will feel the muscle toned, tightened, and becomes firm as you practice it consistently. Not the forehead, not your cheeks. Concentrate only on moving your eye muscles because that's the part we are focusing on strengthening. Also keep breathing and don't move your head forward. Now time for some massage techniques. When you combine face yoga and face massage techniques, especially eye yoga and eye massage, it heals and shows great results faster. Hold on to your upper orbital bone for resistance. Don't stretch. Make a V with your index and middle finger, gliding them all the way up through outer and inner edge of your eye. Go all the way to your hairline and repeat. Don't hold your breath and repeat. Keep your head and shoulders relaxed. Moving on to our next eye massage technique, lift the side like this and making a V, place your index and middle finger on the upper and lower orbital bone, gliding all the way from inner corner of your eye to the outer corner and furthermore till the hairline and repeat. It's a lot of work done on the eye muscles, especially the side eyes. Now holding on to the same point, glide your two fingers through the lower part of your orbital bone like this. Don't massage the skin. The sensitive skin under your eyes, move through the bone, glide all the way till the hairline and repeat. Now massage with your fingers very gently. Make sure you glide along the orbital bone and not on the sensitive skin under eye. Now lift the side of your eye to flatten up this part. Make it toned and tightened, difficult to wrinkle up. Now glide on the side and stretch gently like this. Face yoga strengthens the face muscles on a deeper level and reduces the appearance of lines and wrinkles. You will get to notice them disappearing with consistent practice of face yoga and face massages. Let's massage on the other side of our face as well. It is extremely important to massage both sides equally, ensuring that the muscles on each side of our face are stimulated equally, promoting symmetrical facial features and preventing one side from becoming more relaxed or toned than the other. Massaging both sides help to remove blood flow to all the areas of your face, ensuring that all the skin cells receive adequate oxygen and nutrients for a healthy complexion. Lymphatic drainage is crucial for removing toxins and excess fluids from the face. Massaging both sides help to ensure that this process is balanced and efficient, reducing puffiness and promoting a more sculpted appearance. It is the puffiness that eventually causes eye wrinkles. This technique helps in activating blood circulation in this area, making the skin around glowing and healthy. Facial massage helps to release tension in the facial muscles, which can lead to wrinkles and fine lines. Massaging both sides ensures that all areas of tension are addressed, preventing uneven relaxation. Do like and subscribe to this channel for such amazing face yoga and face massage techniques that can transform you naturally. With face massage, every morning you don't just increase the circulation but also work on your lymphatic system as the lymph nodes form due to puffiness. If the lymphatic system stops working, the stagnant fluid gets stuck in these lymph nodes, and so by moving outward, we are also releasing the lymph nodes. I have talked about under eye wrinkles, eye bags, and dark circles on this channel. Do check out those videos where I have shared details on their causes, talked about how you can prevent them and work on them to naturally get rid of eye problems that are related to wrinkles, eye bags, droopy eyes, and many more issues that we face due to our day to day lifestyle. Sometimes we don't even realize certain lifestyle changes can lead to better and healthy skin. Do check them out in the description below so you can overcome your problems in an easy and quickest way. Now using your ring finger, move around on your orbital bone in a circular motion in an anti-clockwise. As the ring finger is believed to have the least amount of pressure, making it suitable for the delicate skin around the eyes. This technique can improve blood flow and potentially relax eye muscles. It minimizes wrinkles and skin irritation as well. Now using these two fingers, press gently on the lower orbital area. Don't hold your breath as you practice this technique. We are working on our lymphatic system here, reducing the puffiness, remove those toxins as we move outward like this. Also, this acupressure technique activates the muscle underneath and works for you, making your skin glowing and easy circulation, which in turn helps you overcome all the problems related to the eye area. Now, holding on to the side of your eye, glide your two fingers like this, starting from the outer corner of your eye, gliding through the lower orbital bone. As you reach the inner corner, move to the upper orbital bone of the next eye, making 8. Now, starting from the eye we left, with other hand make an 8. This is one repetition. We have to do 8 repetitions in total. Now make an 8 on the sides of your eyes. I like to call it the 888 technique, 8 times 8, working on your lymph nodes, draining the toxins down to the clavicle by tapping on your entire face. As you tap, move outward. You can wake your entire face with this technique. I hope it was useful for you. Keep pampering. Bye.